Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Beko Excellence WM85135LW. It's a washing machine. It was broken. It was broken because the motor wouldn't turn. I started off by looking at it and had no brushes in it, so that was a start. Put brushes in it, nothing happened. Then I had a look at the triac, which is this little fella here. I wondered, was it dead, so I replaced it with the spare I had. I don't know actually if the spare was working now, come to think of it. Hopefully it is, and hopefully it'll all be okay. But it didn't work, so what I've tried to do is swap out this relay here. You can see it's different to the rest of them. I got this out of a Whirlpool machine that is deceased. I was looking at the relays on the back here and doing a bit of thinking, and it looks like the power is coming from here somewhere, and then this relay switches the power to here. Nothing happens here, does it? No. So this relay is just an on-off relay. And I think that's the main one for the motor. I think that's the low-high relay here, this one, and I think these relays are for reversing the direction. So that's what I think. I'm not sure if I'm right, but I've replaced this one on the advice of the good people in the comments, and thank you very much, you know who you are. Well, we'll reserve the thanks and see if it works first. I'm going to put this back together. A bit of snappy and a bit of hope it works. Let's see. This should just click in. I've had this out about 3 or 4 times now, and every time I put it back together and then give up on it, I re-hotwire it for destruction. So I kind of have it in my heart that this machine's going to be destroyed. But every time I post a video of it, somebody suggests something else, and I think, oh yeah, I know how to do that. And so here we are where we are. Okay, that's that together. There's another panel that goes here, but I don't care. Simple as that. Now down here, let's camera down a wee bit. You'll notice I've got my red safety Crocs on, just for fun. I think this just snaps in. Like that, and then we offer all these up again. They're all pretty much aligned with the way they'll fit, so it makes life easy. And I kind of enjoy doing this kind of thing where I fix it a bit and then look at the comments and someone else suggests something I haven't thought of, and like, I don't know anything about, well, I know a little bit about washing machines, but I know more about wrecking them than I do about fixing them. And I know a little bit about fixing them now because of, you know, learning and whatnot. So this one goes in here, and then this one just snaps on here because the thing's broken, and that snaps on there. And now this should just go. That's the theory of it. Put those tabs in on top. Right, that's it. I could put the screws in, but I ain't gonna. I've got a extension cord plugged in. I don't believe there's any water in it. Is it going to work this time? Spin and drain's all I want to see. Power. Hey, we've got lights on. Just want to make sure this... Ooh. Oh, it's off to a start by itself. I need a bucket. Where is it? Got a bucket there in front of it just in case. Is it? Yeah, it says it's locked. On the basis that it isn't turning. Has it started? Do I need to press play? No, let's pause. Okay, try again. Oh, we're going nowhere fast. You know what I'm just wondering now? Maybe that relay furthest to the right was for the element, and maybe it's the next one over. In which case I should fire up my soldering iron. That's definitely not turning, and I can see that, plainly obvious. So let's turn it off again. I'll do it all again, and we'll just check that second relay. So I had a bit of a look at it, and I think down here These connectors are going to the element, so I think I may have replaced the element solenoid, which, not solenoid, yeah, it is a solenoid, but it's a relay. I think I need to start on this end. I don't need to worry about low-high, and I think that might be the reverse direction one, so I'm going to start with this one, see if that works. So let's get desoldering. Everything's a bit messy here, such is the way that I'm happy to work. This soldering iron gets very hot. From my point of view, that's ideal. That one came out remarkably easy. There's a few of them knocking around here on the bench. One of them has an X on it, which I believe is the dud. So let's get that in. There we go. We're getting a bit of heat there. Okay, that's that one. I'll plug the iron out because that's the soldering for now. I'm kind of doing everything a bit of a messed up way because I haven't got a soldering station set up. I'll spare you the reassembly and we'll get back to the machine in a second. Right, so we're plugged in. Let's see. Again. Is it gonna come on? It's doing something. No. It doesn't know where it is, does it? It's confused about something now. I wonder if I snapped it back together correctly. I don't think this is... Something weird going on. Door's open. There we go. That's all it was. Confusing me. Is it gonna spin? No. It's not spinning. It's not spinning. Let's do a cancel. 1, 2, 3. No, let's just pause. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. I wonder why it doesn't want to do that. It ain't turning anyways, that's for sure. I've connected the motor, I'm sure of that. There's 2 more relays in there. And I might as well swap them because I'm in this mood now. Let's wait a little bit longer and see. Oh. It's gone from 12 to end. That's weird. Didn't do that before. Okay, so we're waiting on the door lock then now. That's peculiar. So the interlock just went. Let's open it. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it to cottons. Let's turn it on and see what we can see. So we're getting cottons there. Let's close the door. Let's put it down to spin and drain again. There's no great confidence that this is working. It did an E letter there. I don't know, is that the economy letter or what is it? Let's first start. Interlock, pump. Someone's told me in the comments it should just spin straight away, and it obviously isn't. Okay, let's rip it out and have another go. I'll do another relay and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so this time I did the relay, which is the third from the right. So the only one I didn't do was the high-low one. What's going to happen? Pumping. Not turning. Nothing. There was one more relay. What I could do is put the one which I thought was the element into the third position. I don't see that that's going to make any difference though, because I thought that was for high and low on the stator. Is there any point? Soldering iron's still hot. It'll take me 2 minutes. Last time, last chance. Okay. After this, I'm done. I don't see it moving. Let's start another spin and drain. Will it go? So I've swapped 3 relays out. I'm suspecting it isn't a relay issue. And I've swapped the one that was on the element for one of the other ones. I don't see it moving. We tested the motor, we know the motor works. It's somewhere in this board. And it's beyond me. This one's getting the brick. That's the end of that. Don't waste your time suggesting anything else. I've wired it for a brick 2 or 3 times already. I'm going to wire it for the last one. The ballast is already out. I'm going to smash it. Questions or comments, leave them below. Don't tell me what to do next. I'm just going to smash it. Thanks for watching. See you later.